Hi, I'm Janet Barsha from Mitsubishi Paco Otis Manila Main Branch. So in this video, I will guide you through the simple steps on how to apply for a car loan. Maraming gustong magkaroon ng sasakyan pero nalilito or hindi alam kung paano nga ba mag-apply. First of all, sobrang bilis lang mag-apply. You just need to submit the right requirements and fill out an online form. Yes, online na lang. Kaya kahit malayo ka or kung nasan ka man, pwedeng-pwede mag-apply. Whether you're a locally employed, a business owner, or working abroad as a seafarers or OFWs. Ano nga ba yung mga kailangan documents or requirements? So, let's start for those who are locally employed. First is valid government-issued IDs, standard requirement para ma-verify yung identity natin. So, at least 2 valid IDs. Since yung a-applyan po natin is car loan, better kung meron tayong driver license. Kung wala, okay lang din. Other IDs na lang like QMID, passport, company ID, PRC, or any valid government-issued IDs. Proof of billing like electric, water, or internet bill. So, kahit isa lang po dyan sa mga nabanggit ko. So, this is to verify your current address if ever na mag-conduct ng CI ang bangko. At ang importante ay ang COE or Certificate of Employment. This confirms your employment status, how long you've been working, and if you have a stable income para makita ng bangko that you have the capacity to pay your monthly amortization. Kung wala pa kayong COE, since meron po kasing ibang company na matagal mag-issue ng COE, so pwede po na payslips muna yung isend natin at least 3 months latest para makita lang ni bangko na meron tayong proof of income. For business owner, syempre kailangan pa rin natin ng 2 valid IDs, DTI or SEC registration to prove that your business is legit and registered under your name. Business permit to show that your business is active and operating legally. Bank statement or passbook at least 3 months latest transaction para makita ni bangko yung cash flow ng business mo, how much money goes in and out to your account, and your capacity to pay. Paano kung walang bank statement? So, meron kasing mga business owner na hindi talaga nagbabangko or pinapaikot lang nila yung pera nila sa business nila. No worries, you can submit your latest ITR or income tax return as an alternative. It serves as your financial proof kung wala kayong bank transaction. For OFWs and seafarers, yes, pwedeng-pwede pa rin po kayo mag-apply ng car loan kahit nasa abroad. You just need to submit valid IDs, COE or latest contract to prove that you're actively working abroad, proof of billing, and proof of remittances. So, ito yung proof na consistent yung pagpapadala mo sa Pilipinas and it shows your ability to send and sustain your monthly amortization. And take note, since nasa abroad kayo, ang magiging primary borrower ay yung dapat na nakapangalan sa remittances or nakakatanggap ng pera dito sa Pilipinas. So, sino-sino nga ba yun? Immediate family lang po yung pwede, like yung asawa mo or common law, anak, magulang, or kapatid. Then, yung OFW or seaman will act as the homemaker. So, this is the common setup for OFWs and seafarers. That is because the main borrower must be reachable and accountable here in the country. Pwede lang maging principal borrower yung OFW or seafarer kung nandito kayo sa Pinas or kung nagbabakasyon kayo. And additional requirements is return ticket or any proof na sasakay ka pa or babalik ka ng abroad. So that's it. Applying for a car loan is really easy. You just fill out the online application form, submit requirements via email or chat, wait for the approval as fast as 2 to 7 days. Once approved, firma ng documents and ready for unit release. So if you have any questions, just comment down below or send me a message at 0968-7094944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barsha from Mitsubishi Paco Otis Manila Main Branch. See you!